Hey y'all, thank you for tuning in, but don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Come with me and the girls as we venture into this Japanese house and garden. So immediately walking into the exhibit, I got this nice, calm, relaxed, underwhelming versus overwhelming feeling that I had walked in with. I feel like this was where I needed to be exactly in the moment, like in this space at this time. This is where I need to be today. The girls are just feeding the fish. We picked up some koi food over at the admission stand. It was $2. It was so funny. Y'all looked like cat food. The kids kept saying, "Is this cat food? Is it cat food?" I was cracking up. I'm like, "No, and please stop saying that so loud." And then this is just another scene of the other side of the opposite side of the pond. I think this is, y'all. It's so beautiful. It was so relaxing to me. Like, I couldn't be more at peace over here watching my kids feed these koi fish. Okay. So after they finished feeding the fish, we decided to just take a walk around the exhibit. Around this exhibit, they had a bunch of like different type of plants and trees, and they had like I guess it's like a little pond or something that was underneath this little bridge right here. This right here is like bamboo sticks. It was like a little section full of bamboo. It was actually really nice to see. I ain't seen bamboo in so long. Then they had this little twirly tree, which was very, very intriguing to me. I'm like, dang, what kind of tree is that? It must be from Asia somewhere. So when we continued to walk, I seen a little spider web. It was cute. It was uninterrupted. I said, dang, how long that thing been there? So after the walk around the exhibit, wait, this is me trying to figure out like what angle and what lighting I should use. Natalie trying to help me. We was like, yeah, that's okay, but you know, I wasn't really feeling it. Then the way I was chewing this gum was looking like I was hungry, so I couldn't even let y'all hear this because it was a bunch of smacking. But this right here is like, this was part of like I guess the souvenir shop. They had some bugs. They had those little, I don't know what they call it. Them things that blow in the wind. Not a kite because you don't fly them, but they just hang. I don't know. I forgot. I don't know what they call it. But yeah, so they had like some little origami books that we looked at. They had a few different things, so we took a look at that table. Again, y'all, it's a chewing of the gum. I cannot let y'all hear that. Do y'all see my mouth moving? I must have been hungry, but really can't remember. Okay, y'all, so I wasn't just hungry, I was thirsty. Listen to this interaction with me, Nyla. She is so sweet. Y'all gotta hear it. You can actually leave and come back in with your ticket, but I don't really feel like walking back to the car, so. You got juice?
Yeah, pack the juice.
Oh my god, please come to juice. Thank you so much. Nyla always come prepared. But the girl said, you want my juice? Thank you.
I brought a napkin.
How many juices you brought?
One to that and nice.
You gonna let me drink that juice? Oh, lovely. Thank you. Your mother is thirsty. Talk to the people while I drink the juice because I'm thirsty. Hold it.
Okay, guys. So, ooh, it is a nice day today. So, have some.
My girl said we got to share that. I'm with her though. I'm off fishing her because we are thirsty. Maya over there staying cool because she be eating that cup of ice I got from the coffee shop.
It's hot.
You got more ice?
Not for it.
Want some more? Ooh, I am slightly melting out here. Want to delay a little bit? Want to delay a little bit? Sharing is caring. Alright, so now we're about to go into the house. So we'll see you outside. Hey y'all, so we had to put these stockings on our feet because we couldn't walk in there with like our shoes on, and me and Nyla didn't have socks on. Maya had socks on because she had no sneakers. We didn't have socks on, so I had to put these little black socks on us. They're the same things you put on your feet when you're trying on shoes inside a shoe store, but Nyla's kept coming off, so I had to tie hers in like a little knot because like I couldn't understand like why is it coming off. Then I had to realize like my children are a little bit smaller than small, like smaller than they're like kind of supposed to be, so I had tied Nyla's in a knot because once we went to the house, she was like, it's coming off. So, we put hers on, we put mine on, and then we went on and went inside of the Japanese culture house. And the house was really, really nice. Like, I probably could live in there. I probably could live in there now. So here is a, what would you call this? A little display of food that they would eat.
That they eat.
So what it look like, y'all? It looked like some smoked fish, some rice. That looked like a tofu. Sit back, baby. It say please don't touch. See this? It says please don't touch.
Please touch.
Don't even touch this, please. It say please don't touch. So it like smoked fish. What does it like? Cucumbers, a tofu soup, and there's something in the back. I can't see what that is, but this looks like something that I would even eat today.
Cabbage.
Cabbage? Yeah, they love cabbage. Ooh, these floors, they're like wooden bamboo floors. They feel good. Come here. Oh, this is a ceremony tea house. House is frequently divided into 2 spaces and main room where hosts and guests gather and tea is served in a lit water room. Oh, so there's a water room. Come on, let's go see the water room. Ooh, it says it's the tea house. So the floor is pretty nice and soft when you walk in. A bunch of natural lighting inside. We actually love these. The ceiling is not that tall, but you know. Oh, look at this. Y'all want to sit? All right, I'm gonna sit. Oh, do not exit from there. Then you gotta come back out and around because it says do not exit. So remember on the paper it said that it was 2 separate rooms. One would be like the water house, and one would be for guests. I don't know. Take a picture. So y'all, this was a demonstration. They was trying to show us how the water poured down on these chains over here, or at least how, like, I guess their houses wouldn't get flooded back then. But the funniest thing was the lady said that the water would have glided down smoother, but it got damaged because somebody came and tried to steal the chains. I said they came all the way over here to steal these chains. Oh, that's crazy. Let's see what it says. So we have, oh, okay. So it says bathhouse, right? Let me read this for you. What the hell was that? That looked nice. That looked good. It says, it smells in there. Y'all sit in the bathhouse. It said there are 4 small rooms that make up a bathhouse. The rightmost room contains the bathtub because heating water was time consuming. This will only be done once everyone will share the same bathroom. So look, which one is the bathtub? This is the bathtub? Oh yeah. Okay, we're in the bathtub. This is one of the 4 components that makes up the bathhouse. So I'm guessing this is the bath.
This used to be somebody's actual house.
This is just like an example, like a blueprint display of what the house used to look like back then. What was it, 1958, right? It's at 1958? Yeah, so we're just walking through what it was like. It's actually pretty cool though. Like, you don't think you could bathe in this? It's pretty deep too. So imagine that there's a little sprout to like you can't sit in there. And I'm guessing these would be the buckets that you would pick up the water and pour on yourself to rinse yourself off and stuff like that. It's very, very small and isolated, but hey, imagine keeping the warm heat in it because it's not so big. So that makes sense. Yeah. All right. Then it says number 2, the empty room with the shelf is a dressing area for disrobing before bathing and redressing after. So we enter through, what is it called? I guess the empty room. They call this part the empty room. This is for undressing and redressing before and after the bath. Then left of the dressing area is the urinal. Urinal surrounded by bamboo flooring and for drainage purposes. Okay, the leftmost room contains the squat toilet. Oh, this is the bamboo room here. Oh, this is the urinal. Oh, so this was the toilet. Oh, and this bamboo on the floor they said for, what did they say? For drainage purposes. Then the leftmost room contains a squat toilet. This type of lager toilet right here was used only by the elite. Oh, okay. So these are for like you know, your rich people, your special people, your favorite people. You can use this one. Yep, and then everybody else will have to use this one. So these are the 4 rooms here. Bathroom, empty room for dressing and redressing. Then this is your common toilet area, and this is your elite toilet area. That's probably why I look so much nice, but I mean, they all look comfortable and cozy to me. I would use either one. Can y'all see me doing this? I'm gonna squat and use the Maya, because you're gonna squat Maya. Okay, right, girl, let's go before you fall.
Guys, we are going to see some more places.
You gotta turn it the other way. Okay, so this portion of the home exhibit, it housed artwork from 2 different artists, I believe. I'm not too sure, but I think so. So this portion was it was called Waterfall. I forgot the artist's name, but he's right here. It was called Waterfall, and it was around the whole room. This portion was, I believe, from calligraphy, and it was like a piece of work, like a dress with some calligraphy on it, and I think calligraphy is like writing, but I wasn't too sure because I didn't see no characters here. But it was pretty, it was nice to look at. And then over here was another like a table full of souvenirs and little gifts. We see some matcha scoopers. These are fans. Where them fans at? So I know there's some fans. And then this was like I don't know if this like sushi plates, tea sets. I seen some tea sets, like some sushi plates, because I would eat sushi off of that. Like, that's what I think that is. And these, I think this is for tea. So yeah, these were cute. A lot of them were really cute. I think these were like 30 bucks. I was just looking. I wasn't buying none of them, but they was like really cute. If I wanted a tea set, I would go back there. Oh, look at the tree. This tree is beautiful. This tree is gorgeous. This tree got Oh, the kids are over here feeding these fish, and some of them are actually gigantic. Like,
Look at this.
oh my god, here comes the mother lord. Wait, I gotta turn it around.
I might be out of. Wait, do the birds even eat this food?
I don't know what the birds eat.
If the bird want to come in the ocean and get some food,
We got this, yo. What's this bird called? Because I can't even, like, he ain't even gonna try to eat these fish because them fish is too big for him. He's probably scared. But it's so nice. I was in the house laying down all day.
Next time at the pet
These are not pets. These are not pets.
I want one from the pet store.
It looks like y'all feeding them with your hands at this angle. Because y'all feeding them, that's why. Huh? Put it in the mouth. There you go. This is so cool. Hungry like no one ever feeds you.
I'm not touching that.
Don't be afraid. I want to try to take a picture in front of it.
Let's just both go.
Don't be afraid. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Are you okay? The girls are afraid. But I'm telling them don't be afraid. They got it.
They put pennies in his hands.
Pennies? Don't give them no pennies. We don't do stuff like that.
The pennies are real.
All right. No pennies though. We just don't believe in stuff like that. It's so nice though. He's back here. Who is that? Does it say a name or something on there?
I can't use flashlight.
Oh, I don't got no flash either. It's all right. But he's back here, and oh, people are putting money in change. They're offerings, I think. And they probably wish or pray for stuff. Come on. The kids think it's scary in here, but I don't think so. It's really dark though. But we came back in the corner to see that. And then they got a little, coming back out into the sun. You see how the sun's hitting me? Glistening. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. But I must say, this has been a beautiful experience. We loved it today. We just had to get out of the house. We were just sitting in the house and I figured, hey, let's do this. We were supposed to go to the mall, but never made it. So we made it over here. I think this was way better. What you think, Maya?
Yeah.
I think this is way better. It's beautiful. It's nice. It smells good, just like nature.
No food, but it's still nice.
Maya saw some no food, but still nice. We're about to go sit down and eat though, and then we'll go in the house. We think.
Wow, look at the bird. Like it doesn't hear us. Hey. Look. It's doing the same thing over and over. I don't think
That is real. That's not a fake animal. That's a real bird in its natural habitat. He's chilling. Why would he be fake? If he's fake, that's ridiculous. He's relaxing. What you want him to do?
He's cleaning himself. It keeps doing this.
Because that's what they do. They clean themselves in the water, girl. Some beautiful flowers. They don't look like they bloom. Ooh, what kind of bee is that? Whatever kind of bee that is, it's gonna kill me. So let me get up out of here. That thing is big and buzzing. Maya, how was your time? Maya, how was your time?
Good.
Now let's go eat. So sorry, right? So I said all this and it wasn't even recording. Anyway, y'all, we had a good time at this Japanese house that we went to today. We are hungry now, so we're gonna get something to eat because they didn't have no food there, which is all right. It's a bunch of places to eat around here. I must say the sun feels beautiful. I may look a little tired, maybe a little brown, but it still feels beautiful. And it's so nice out here, so we're gonna get in a car, Google what's close to us, figure out what we want to eat, and then we will see y'all once we're sitting down eating. So before I get back to y'all, no, I did not. I'm so sorry, but thank you for tuning into today's video.